Welcome back guys, you're watching my YouTube channel and I'm your biology facilitator Dr. Seema Sharma. Dear viewers, photosynthesis and cellular respiration are two fundamental biological processes. They both are involved in transformation of energy, but in opposite directions. You know about the basic features of these two biological processes like photosynthesis. This is the process by which green plants manufacture their food by using simple inorganic raw material, and it takes place during the daytime only, means in the presence of sunlight only. Whereas cellular respiration is the process in which all living organisms they obtain energy from food, and it takes place both day and night. But in addition to these two features, there are a number of other contrasting features as well, and you're going to know about those in this video. Let's start with the location. Photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast, and chloroplasts are green color plastids which are present in plant cells. Cellular respiration takes place in mitochondria, which are present in all eukaryotic cells. These mitochondria are actually membrane-bound cell organelles that generate chemical energy. Purpose of photosynthesis is the conversion of light energy into chemical energy. And purpose of cellular respiration is to release chemical energy by breakdown of food. Reactants involved during photosynthesis are inorganic raw materials like carbon dioxide, water. They react in the presence of sunlight. Whereas reactants involved during cellular respiration are glucose, which is an organic molecule, and oxygen gas. Products of photosynthesis includes glucose and oxygen gas. And products of cellular respiration are carbon dioxide gas, water, and energy. Mode of energy transfer in case of photosynthesis involves absorption of light energy by chlorophyll pigment and conversion of carbon dioxide into glucose in chloroplast. In case of cellular respiration, energy released during oxidation of glucose is stored in the form of ATP in mitochondrion. Phases of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis has two phases. The initial part is light-dependent reactions, which takes place in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplast, and the later part is Calvin cycle, which operates in the stroma part of chloroplast. Cellular respiration is made up of three phases. Initial part, glycolysis, it takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell, whereas Krebs cycle, electron transport chain system, they both operates in the mitochondrion. Coming to the energy carrier molecules in case of photosynthesis are ATP and NADPH, whereas in case of cellular respiration, energy carrier molecules are NADH, FADH2 and ATP. Coming to overall equation of these two biological processes, in case of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide, it combines with water in the presence of sunlight in chlorophyll containing parts of the plant, and it leads to the production of glucose and oxygen gas. In case of cellular respiration, glucose, it combines with oxygen, its oxidation takes place and it leads to the formation of carbon dioxide gas, water and release of energy. From these two chemical equations, we can also make out that this photosynthesis is an anabolic process in which simple inorganic materials they are converted into organic material, whereas cellular respiration is a catabolic process in which glucose, which is a bigger organic molecule, it is oxidized to form simple inorganic material. Another contrasting feature from this equation is that photosynthesis is an endothermic process in which heat is required. On the other hand, cellular respiration is an exothermic process in which heat is generated or liberated. Now coming to the organisms in which these two biological processes are operating, photosynthesis takes place in green plants including algae and in some bacteria, whereas cellular respiration occurs in majority of living cells including plant and animal cells. One more interesting feature of these two biological processes is that they are part of carbon cycle. The oxygen produced during photosynthesis by green plants is used in cellular respiration by animals, while the carbon dioxide produced by animals in cellular respiration is used in photosynthesis by green plants. So that's it about the contrasting features of these two biological processes. And here is the tabulated summary of all the contrasting features between photosynthesis and cellular respiration which we have discussed in this video. Do go through these for recap purpose. So with this, it's time to wind up this video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting BioHub. Stay tuned to BioHub. Bye bye.